This is depressing. I'm getting hot. Well, take three. Looking. I was trying to only do one take, but I keep having technical difficulties and slowness. So, without further ado, it's your boy Isaiah, also known as Bastard. I am back, not disappearing again. Big ups to everyone. Shout out to everyone that watched my Shmino video. I never would have thought it could get like 500 views. I have it linked around here. It will pop up, probably more around here. Please watch that video, comment. That's one of my more experimental beats. I think it's cool. Today I'm going to be, well, it's gonna be another silent cookup. And let me know how y'all like the silent cookups. Do y'all want me to talk through it, or would you rather me just do the silent cookup? Cause I know people skip through, but not everyone skip through. I could probably explain my thought process on some things, or like explain like a shortcut. Really up to y'all. The silent cookup is perfect for me, so I mean. But today I'm going to make my first drill beat, and never made one before, so it's gonna be interesting. I'm going to be aiming for a Headie one, Headie one, and a Pop Smoke type of feel. So UK, New York drill. Like, I don't know the major differences in between them, but I know the people who really into the music, they will be in the comments. So let me know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna end up being a UK and a New York drill mix. That's, I mean, my first one. But I don't think I have any more plugs. Oh, Twitch. I'm gonna have that on in the top of my description. Follow my Twitch. I'm going to, well, I don't only just stream me making music. I also play, you know, everyone play video games. So I'll be doing that on there. And you'll be able to see the more experimental side of my production. Because everything I make, obviously I don't post it to YouTube. There's some things that I think is just other trash, or I would just messing around with sound design, trying to make some unique sounds. But I think that's it. Yeah. Anything else? Throw it in the comment section. All right, y'all. So at this point, I'm gonna just arrange it. I have all the foundation down, essentially, like all the sounds. I'm pretty proud of myself. It's not bad for your first drill beat. Took me a little while, but I got it done. Like any old video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe to your boy. I'm going to be releasing 1 to 2 videos a week. Nothing crazy. I'm not gonna be flooding anything, and maybe like every other week I release like a gaming video or like something else. I'm still going to upload my monitor review and my mouse review, so be looking out for that. I have a bunch more drill beats coming, hyperpop beats coming. Y'all might even see me like score some like show or something. Who knows? I'm doing anything and everything sound related. So I'm gonna mix this real quick, master it, and y'all already know. I'll show you. Then leave the comments, leave your opinions in the comment section. See you in the next one. Thank you.